What's up, YouTube? We are back with another video, and today's focus is on the summer season coming ahead and barbecue. But if you do not have the time nor the place to barbecue, you need an alternative, and I am here to serve you with that today.
Now, let me tell you a story as I clean these ribs about the importance of recognizing AI. I used AI in the first 15 seconds of this video just to show you how easily it is to implement AI into your day-to-day life and without it even clearly being detected. And I find that to be fairly intriguing information, because at what point are we going to get to where we cannot distinctively tell the difference? Understanding artificial intelligence. AI, or artificial intelligence, it's no longer a futuristic concept from sci-fi movies. AI is here. It's powerful and it's essential to understand. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or someone just starting to hear about AI, it is crucial for you to understand exactly what AI is, because we are heading in the technology-driven AI direction. So, why should you care about AI? Simply put, AI is transforming everything around us, from the algorithms that curate your social media feeds to the technology behind self-driving cars. AI is already deeply integrated into our day-to-day lives, even if you are unaware. Understanding AI will allow you to make more informed decisions about the technology and how to use it and how it impacts you and your own life. The AI field is booming, literally. It's creating countless new job opportunities while simultaneously destroying jobs. Even if you're not a programmer, understanding AI can give you a competitive edge in many industries.
You're fired. You're fired. You're fired. You're fired. You're fired. You're fired. 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 Fired.
As AI continues to evolve, understanding its capabilities and limitations will help you adapt to the changing landscape and prepare better for the future. AI can automate repetitive tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on more creative and strategic endeavors for faster processing speeds, reduced errors, and 24/7 availability. As AI gets more structured and powerful, this is going to lead to many job displacements in certain industries. We need to consider strategies for retaining and supporting workers affected by these changes: manufacturing, customer service, and data entry, to name a few. AI raises very important ethical questions about biases, privacy, and accountability. We need to develop ethical guidelines and regulations to ensure AI is used responsibly and for the benefit of all of us. Algorithmic bias, data privacy, and pretty much hackers are at our discretion with AI. AI is a powerful tool with the potential to transform our world for the better if used for the right reasons and by the right people. By understanding its capabilities, limitations, and ethical implications, we can harness its power responsibly and create a future where AI benefits everyone. are some interesting ways you have noticed AI being implemented in our day-to-day lives? Let me know in the comments. I'm always interested to see other people's takes on these sort of topics. Also, let me know next time you are short on time or short on space or lacking either the essentials or the equipment to actually barbecue yourself. Will you try out these air fryer ribs? One thing I love about the air fryer is it provides very little heat inside of the home while allowing you to utilize the kitchen space and make a delicious meal without all of that added heat, especially in the summertime. Okay, y'all, it's about that time. Catch you in the next video.